Hello, Wild Wanderers. Welcome to the very first episode of The Wild Wonders with Edda. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of Africa's most unique creatures, the aardvarks. Get ready to uncover some amazing facts about these nocturnal wonders. Aardvarks are nocturnal animals, meaning they are the most active at night. During the day, they rest in burrows to stay cool and safe from predators. Their solitary lifestyle means you rarely see an aardvark in pairs, except during the mating season or a mother with her young. Aardvarks are found throughout the sub-Saharan Africa, from grasslands to savannas and even woodlands. They need loose, sandy soil for digging and a plentiful supply of ants and termites, which are their primary food source. Aardvarks have a specialized diet that consists mainly of ants and termites. They can eat up to 50,000 insects in one night. Using their strong claws, they break into termite mounds and anthills and use their long, sticky tongue to lap up the insects. Their keen sense of smell helps them locate these hidden feasts. Aardvarks typically give birth to one offspring at a time after a gestation period of about 7 months. The young aardvark stays with its mother for about 6 months before venturing out on its own. In the world, aardvark can live up to 23 years. Did you know that the name aardvark came from Afrikaans, Dutch language means earth pig? Despite their pig-like appearance, they are more closely related to elephants. Aardvark can dig incredibly fast. They can create a 2 foot deep down burrow in just 5 minutes, and their thick skin protects them from ant and termite bites. Aardvarks play a crucial role in their ecosystems. Their burrows provide shelter for numerous other animals, including reptiles, birds, and mammals. By controlling termite population, they also help maintaining a balance in their environment. While aardvarks are not currently endangered, but they do face threats from habitat destruction and hunting. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure these unique creatures continue to thrive in the world. Thank you for joining me in this voyage to discover this amazing aardvark. Remember, every creature plays a vital role in our planet's biodiversity. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the wild with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss the adventure. Until next time, stay wild, wanderers.